How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about the trades I took today. I took two options trades and I took two future trades. I'm going to walk you through both of them, give you my reasoning, how I found my levels, and how I managed the trades. But before we get started with that, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So the first options trade, I called this out live in Team Bull, was literally like 7 minutes in or something. So let's talk about this. This is right before market open, right? We had a nice red candle down. It broke through this small resistance we had on the lower time frame here, broke down, had a nice push down, nice increase in selling volume. I said I want to watch it pull back and catch puts. I said I want a nice pullback. I want to test this area here, come up. We took our entry right here on this candle, had a little drawdown. I wanted to add to this position at 4,500 on SPX. Unfortunately, we didn't get it. I didn't get to add my full size, but it turned around and did exactly what we wanted it to. My last sell was down here. Absolutely beautiful trade. Ideally, I wanted low of day out of this, then some, but we didn't quite get it here. Came back up. I had 10 runners left in this trade. They hit my price that I paid to enter the trade. Had a stop loss set. That way I didn't give back any of my profits. Beautiful trade overall. Contracts moved amazing, 40+%. And that was literally a 10-minute workday. But that's not it. I caught another trade. Let's take a look at that. Now, the next trade was on SPX. I traded SPX options. You can trade SPY options based off this level or ES futures. Okay, don't worry, I haven't forgot about showing you all what future trades I took. We'll look at them towards the end here. The second trade I took was when we came back up and retested this 4,500 on SPX. I got puts here. I only got 5 puts. I got the 4595 put option on SPX, same day expiration. Took a minute to do what I wanted to, but once it failed, contract went from roughly 800 to my final sale of 1,200 per contract. I really like this because everything was looking great on SPY during this trade. I like this long wick up here telling me that sellers pulled that price back down. And once we finally broke this level here, had a nice move down. Like I said, sold my last contract at $1,220 from a roughly $800 average, which is a really nice trade and a great way to end my day. Very happy with this. Very happy with their execution and their patience. I see a lot of Team Bull members really growing as traders. That makes me very happy. 4,500 was a resistance. It's a simple support and resistance level and a whole psych number. And we had some resistance here as well. I told everyone my stop loss was going to be at 4,506 on this trade, because if we broke this, the trade would no longer be valid, right? Now, let's talk about the futures trades I took today. The first one being on ES. This was pre-market. I called this out during my Instagram live that I do every single morning where I give free education. We create a watch list together. I said, I want to see a push back up and I want to go short right here. That's exactly what happened. We waited on data to drop. Data dropped, had the immediate push up. We went short here and it pulled right back down. We scalped and was out of that. We set our stop losses on our runners and let the trade manage itself. Beautiful entry. This is exactly the same type of setup, nearly, that we took on SPY after the market opened. What happened, we failed support, came back up, retest. That's where we went short, caught the move down. Beautiful trade. Did exactly what we wanted it to do, and it did it fast. Second trade I took on futures. This was pre-market as well, but this happened right after I ended my Instagram live. I did tell everyone to watch this level, the exact setup I was watching. I said, I want to go long once we break this 80. This is a CL, by the way, Kudo futures. I said, I want to go long above 80. We broke that, went long, caught the move up to this first price target. I was completely out by this point because this was my first time trading oil futures. I usually trade ES, the one we looked at before this, but it hit that price target perfectly. And within 10 minutes, came straight up. And let me tell you, when you're trading oil, CL, 1 point is a big profit. So do a little research into that. Second price target was right here, which we finally hit. Honestly, I could have stayed in this trade. I probably would have stopped out here anyways once we broke back below my entry point. So I guess technically I wouldn't have. But looking at this was another possible entry because we broke, come back down, retest this previous resistance that's now turned support, then continued on. So this would have been a nice entry as well. Now that I'm looking at it, I do want to share a trade that I'm still watching with you all if you're interested in that. I want to try to go short at this 81.8. Stop loss above like 82.3 possibly. Yeah, stop loss above 82.3. It really looks good. I like how, we had this quick move down here. I'm hoping we push back up. There's some sellers in the area. Something to keep on watch, even if you don't trade it. And if you don't know how to manage a trade, don't try oil because it can get away from you quickly. If you don't trade it, watch it. See how it plays out. Watch price action. Learn from this level. That's what it's all about. Continuing to learn every single day. Never stop learning. Once you stop learning, you start going backwards in life. That's all I have for this video. If you don't have a futures trading account and you're interested in funded accounts, check out my description. Check out Apex. They provide funded accounts. They're a company. I'm an affiliate with them. I use them personally, and I have friends that use them. So check them out. They'll help you with anything you need. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.